Hi, my name is Vika. I'm from Virginia and I am an Ascend Foundation student enrolled in the certificate track. I didn't really face many challenges when I was looking for something to do after high school, and it was mainly just choosing between if I wanted to go into like something medical or just go into trade school for something. When I was looking through things to do during high school, my mom had found Unbound and enrolled me into Explore, and then that's kind of how I got intertwined with it. But the biggest challenge I probably faced was looking for something affordable that suited my needs and that I would enjoy doing. When someone asks me what Unbound is, I tell them that the traditional education system does not make many people very happy and that it does not equip young adults to thrive in the real world well. Unbound, on the other hand, does that very well through project-based education and provides a large community of like-minded young adults. The biggest challenge for me in this program has probably been to keep up with all the work, but that is my fault because I procrastinate a lot. Other than that, keeping up with everybody has not been not that hard, and yeah, I think it's just been the procrastination part on my end. My Ascend project is a physical transformation. I'm going to be going through a serious bulk, and it's basically a bodybuilding challenge for myself, gaining a certain amount of weight and then losing a certain amount of weight, and creating a strict regime for my lifestyle and getting ahead in my mental game and my physical game, and it's basically just a bodybuilding experience that is going to entail a lot of mental and physical roadblocks that I will have to overcome to achieve my goal physique. The first time I attended Apex, I loved it so much, and I came into it not thinking that I would make as many friends as I did. It was very exciting, and it wasn't too fast-paced, but also it was very good in the fact that I found a lot of friends that I'm still in touch with. And yeah, it was a very good experience and one of my favorite experiences that I've had in my whole high school, time in high school. I think the biggest change that I've had is that I have this community now where I actually fit in, and I enjoy being a part of it as much as I think everybody else in Unbound does. And yeah, literally all my friends are from here, so that's probably my biggest, the biggest thing that I've gotten from Ascend. This community is not exclusive, and it's very focused on moving forward and moving ahead rather than just grades or where you stand in society or political views or whatever, in any kind of views. I think the biggest thing is the fact that everybody is together here for the same reason, and there's all going towards the same goal. Everybody's going towards the same goal. If you're considering Ascend, you won't regret it, and be prepared to have a lot of long-lasting relationships come out of it.